Hey guys, it's Sk8er here, and welcome back to another video. Before I get on with this video, I just wanted to apologize for not posting in a while. I was planning on posting yesterday, but I had a dental procedure done, and it was kind of to talk. So, today I will be talking about someone who I was cross-trading with on Animal Jam for Animal Jam Play Wild items, who actually scammed. Now, I only have screenshots, and I can't pull them up on this computer, so you don't even have to believe me on this, but I just wanted to warn you guys about this person on Animal Jam Play Wild. I do not know their Animal Jam username on here, but I know their Play Wild one, and their Play Wild one is Sk8ergamer113. This person, now I just watch out if you ever do cross-trade with this person. It's not a big deal what they took from me. I'm just warning you guys just in case. I really don't want you guys getting scammed. What they took from me was my green long wrist and my non-member orange mat. That's not really a big deal. I just wanted to warn you guys. And an actual video will be coming later today. I just wanted to let you guys know that. And thank you all for watching. Until next time, bye.